Science, Rashi, and significance of body parts. Areas: head, brain, eyes. Taurus, throat, neck, thyroid gland, vocal cords. Gemini, arms, lungs, shoulders, nervous system. Cancer, chest, breast, stomach, digestive system. Leo, heart, spine, upper back. Virgo, abdomen, intestines, digestive system. Libra, kidneys, lower back, skin. Scorpio, reproductive organs, pelvis, urinary tract. Sagittarius, hips, thighs, liver, sciatic nerves. Capricorn, knees, bones, joints, skin. Aquarius, ankles, calves, circulatory system. Pisces, feet, toes, lymphatic system, immune system.